Okay, these are the stock exhausts of the Interceptor 650 that everybody is familiar with. एक बारी on करना engine. Let's hear the exhaust note.
Pikachu!
Oopsie! Has a mild bass to it, but it's pretty decent. We'll be changing this exhaust today. This is the tool set that I'll be using. This is from WeraTools. Has pretty much everything that you need to open up your bike except a torque wrench, but it is very handy and it's of phenomenal quality. For this one, I'll be using a 10 mm socket which is present in the exhaust muffler. Let's go. You're all aware of Johnson?
Handyman.
Handyman? मैं झुक नहीं सकता ना. I can't bend over. That's why this stool is for me. This is the small 10 mm nut that you need to loosen up, and it comes off with relative ease. Done. This is the one. Now what this does is, this loosens up this heat shield. Just, it slides outward. There's a small rubber washer here. I will call it a rubber catcher, but this is what it is. This is what it looks like. Remove that and it reveals the other bolt right here. It's right here. I think it'll be easier if you just put the bike on center stand first. Much more accessible, na? Nice. देख रहे कैसे मिट्टी निकल रही है उसके बाहर, because कभी खुला ही नहीं है. निकल गया दोनों. Now we need to open these two 12mm bolts. Unfortunately, there is no space for me to add this ratchet wrench, so we'll be using the traditional ring spanner. It's pretty easy. Once you unlock it, should come off pretty easily. Easy peasy. Now we'll be using the same bolts to install the new ones as well. Almost done. There you go. And the screw. And now you need to remove this bolt right here, which is also of 12mm. I'll just use a ratchet, and the speciality of this ratchet is it can twist and can be attached like that. So it's easy for me to just. I love this tool set, man. And that's it. The tool is free now, basically. We'll be installing the exhausts from Way2Speed, and shout out to Melvin who sent these amazing exhausts, and the combined weight of these exhausts is 4.4 kgs only, which is even lighter than my Powerage. These exhausts have minimal branding. One side does not have the logo, whereas the other side does. Very subtle, very sleek. It'll slide out. Samne, yes. And pull it out. Or yes. You need a spanner also. A 12mm socket, 12mm ring spanner behind the catching nut. Yes. Done. Take it out.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Now you need to remove these two. Twist and pull. It'll be heavy. Be careful. Careful of your lower back, because that shit is heavy. Yeah. Oh, man. How heavy do you think this is?
6, 7.
Easy. Bas.
It's ज़्यादा easy though.
Bike looks amazing without the silencer also. Cops? Shiny. Matches the polished look of the bike. These are your DB killers and your custom brackets for your exhaust to install. Finger tight these bolts so it's easier to slide. One has completely inserted this and the other one is almost in. इसको use this lever. Yes. Next time I'll try and get some power tools because it makes your job a lot more easier. So this you have fastened the bracket to the subframe. ठीक है? That's it. ज़्यादा टाइट नहीं करना. जब तक वो होना बंद ना हो तब तक कर ले. उसके बाद बस. It's on a red thread. It won't come off that easily. Clean station is the best station.
That's why we are friends.
Can we hear the sound note without the DB killers? That's loud. Let's hear the sound note with the DB killers. Much lower. Much lower. That sounds pretty good. What do you think?
I think it sounds good. I like the way the exhaust is very small. Like it's not as huge as the stock exhaust. Let's start it again. Got a good grunt. It's got a good grunt.
Okay, so this was an installation video of the Way2Speed exhausts on the Interceptor 650. These exhausts have a pretty good bass to them and these are very light as well, and I do recommend using DB killers if you're installing these exhausts so that they don't really irritate your neighbors. Otherwise these are pretty loud. But if you don't rev your motorcycle and don't go above 4000 RPM, they sound pretty much identical to the OEM exhausts, and if you are a rev enthusiast then you will attract unwanted attention from the cops. So there's no question about it. And yes, if you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up icon. Do consider subscribing to this channel so that you can see more videos like this. Thank you so much. This is Shri.